To create a conditional formatting rule on a spreadsheet in Google Sheets, you will highlight the column that you want to add the conditional formatting, and then go to Format, Conditional Formatting. You can say, for this case, I want to highlight green all the ones that say yes. And I want to highlight all the ones that say no in maybe a red. And so there you go. So that's all I had to do. You can also do it with numbers. These are percents. So I can say maybe I want anything greater than 75%. So 0.75, I want green. And then anything that is between 0.5 and 0.75, I'm going to put like maybe in a yellow. Oh, whoops, that was the text. Be careful where you move your cursor or the pointer, because sometimes if you go across it, you'll grab that and you don't want it. And then anything that is below or less than 0.5, I'm going to do red. Numbers are a little fickle at times, especially when we get into percents. If it's not exactly what you're thinking, you may have to, use a couple tenths to get to the number that you need. But that's how you create conditional formatting.